Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk about the program that I use to do my technical analysis and how you can follow along with my videos. Okay, so we're on a web page right now and we're going to go to tradingview.com. Okay, so we're on the TradingView website right now. We're going to go to the right hand corner, start free trial. They have accounts that you can pay for and you get certain perks with it, but I actually just use the basic. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can go try free basic. Go ahead and sign up with an email account. It's free. With this, you'll be able to save all your work and save your watch lists. Okay, so we fill all this out, create an account. It's going to want you to activate it. Go to your email account, activate account. I don't think you have to fill any of this out. You could just hit continue. Okay, so now we're on this page. Let's go to the TradingView website. Okay, from here, we can go to chart, and this is the chart that you guys are familiar with. It doesn't look exactly like the way it does in my videos because we have to adjust some settings, and we'll go through that in the upcoming videos on this playlist. If you're interested in learning more about technical analysis and cryptocurrencies and stocks, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and make sure to check out the next video on the playlist. We're going to be going through all kinds of interesting information in this playlist. I think it'll be really beneficial for people who are just starting out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button.